I love you.
Joshua Weissman, he worked his way up in the world of YouTube and now has 9.5 million subscribers. How did he do this? How can you do it too on your channel and get more views, subscribers, income, fame and more? I will take a rare deep dive into his channel, something which you will not find anywhere else on YouTube. Only here on Tube Hustle. I'll explain the exact tactics and methods that he used to grow, how he made viral videos from the start, how he provides value, how he actually shows off his personality. His videos are funny and helpful at the same time. You do not want to miss these tips as they will help your channel no matter what size your channel is.
Okay, let's get right into this. The first one is sound. He uses sound.
Here is an example.
Be in order. First thing, hot sauce. Only 5 ingredients if you don't count the
Yep, Joshua Weissman uses sound effects to keep your attention so you keep watching, the video goes viral because loads of people are watching. He makes his voice high-pitched, makes his voice quieter, and uses weird echo effects. Next time you edit, make sure you add these changes in sound to your videos. Sound design is not really appreciated in YouTube as much as it should. A video where someone is talking and it's just the same thing throughout the whole video, no changing tone, no nothing. You know what happens? People fall asleep. Your viewers will get bored, so make changes up and down. Make it loud, make it quiet, get closer to the mic, get away from it. All of these make a difference. Joshua also does another thing, his intros. He starts his videos by putting his camera in the cupboard and talking to it.
Everybody's going all crazy for chicken sandwiches, which is great, but I think it's about time that we put our name in the hat because I think we can do better.
Why does he do this? Gives his channel like a unique intro, like a TV show or something.
We got another thing that if you don't do today will ruin everything. Preserved lemons.
YouTube is about personality. All of this adds a familiar touch to his videos that the viewers and the returning subscribers can recognize. He has unique video ideas like super thick noodles, pie, chicken burger, but better. So all of these are unique ideas. He also has these really strange recipes. So he comes up with unique ideas that you can't find in other places, so the viewers actually enjoy his videos. So finding good ideas is something that is underappreciated. Beginner YouTubers tend to ignore this. Take a lot more time in thinking of a good video idea. Thank me later. He also has a website which makes him money. I explain that more as we go into this video, but I know what you're thinking. Who is this small YouTuber who's giving me advice? I am also trying to apply these skills onto my channel as well and use these tips. I am using the change in sound right now. Did that reset your attention? Did that get your focus? Did that get your attention again? Yes, see, this is what I am talking about here on this channel. My name is Mahal from Tube Hustle and I create YouTube growth tips videos that help you increase your YouTube views, subscribers, and eventually lead to a life of financial independence and happiness. If these tips are helping you out so far, then I ask you to take a second and join this great community of Tube Hustle. We welcome all YouTubers of all sizes. This is a community where we help each other to grow. Let's grow together. At the time of this recording, my channel is small, but I am learning and I am applying it just like you are. We are doing this together. Let's grow together. Okay, let's carry on with the video. Joshua started cooking at the age of 3. His mum, who was an excellent cook, taught him how to do this. Unfortunately, his great passion in cooking led him to gain weight and be bullied in school due to his weight insecurities. He even ate lunch in his mum's car because it got so bad. His interest in cooking only kept growing and actually leading him to become an assistant in a restaurant. And then at the age of 22,
Hey guys, and welcome to the second episode of Cooking Isn't That Hard.
he decided to create a YouTube channel. So he started 10 years ago. From today, while he wasn't really consistent in the beginning, he made some cooking videos, but mostly getting under 100k views. This was around 7 to 8 years ago. So he was stuck. Only some of his videos were getting a lot of views. So he had to find a way to solve his problem or his channel would fail. He would later improve his videos so much by adding some changes that I will explain in this video. I'm about to tell you some of his secrets. This next part shows how much he has grown. You do not want to miss this secret, so you can apply it on your channel so the same thing doesn't happen to you being stuck on low views like he was in the beginning. Okay, first let me hit some stats on his channel. I gathered these from Social Blade, which is a website that you can use to see stats from a video. You can see subscribers and views and all of that. Well, it's not completely accurate 100%, but it's close enough and is what I used for this. His channel, Joshua Weissman, has 673 uploads. 9.54 million subs at the time of this recording. He might have more when I edit this. 1.8 billion views. Every day he gets around 2 million views. I see that he uploads twice a week and he has been consistent for years doing this. He has the same mustache and beard style, so people recognize him in the thumbnails. Okay, I'm going to go through some videos and I will explain what he did on these videos. And the tips that I provide will blow your mind. Okay, the first one, this successful video was called Chewy Chocolate Chip Cookies. This video has an interesting title. Well, you know, okay, that's a good title. People will be searching for that. But chewy, that makes it a bit special. So people are interested now. Oh, this is quite a nice video. Let me click on this. His thumbnails are not really over the top designed. They're just like normal, they're real. So people know that, yep, this is a real video. I'm gonna click on this. Okay, the next one. Insanely Easy Skillet Garlic Butter Naan Bread. This title is even more extreme. He uses extreme words, which is something that I recommend. Don't use good or just normal or great. Don't use words that are boring. Instead of using great, greatest. Instead of using fast, use fastest, craziest, worst, most disgusting, highest, most, etc. When you use extreme words, it attracts attention. It's not just a normal video. People see your title and they think, wow, this is something that I need to click on. This is extreme. If I don't click on this, I'm going to lose it and I'm not going to be able to find it again. I need to click on this right now. They just impulsively click. So that's why you need extreme words. Use superlatives, greatest, best, fastest. He uses an extreme word, ultra crispy, and he also uses capitals in some of the words inside the title. Ultra is in capitals. These two methods work really well in titles, okay? Combining extreme words with capitals. Okay, let me know if these tips are helping you. Are you using extreme words in your videos? Let me know what you think about this video itself. You can comment down below. I want to know what you think. Carry on in this video. Okay, make sure you leave a like as well. Hit that like button right now. It's going to help this video go out to more people and help more people in the YouTube community. How to make New York style bagels. This video combines two things. It's searchable because people are searching for bagels, how to make bagels. And he also adds a special thing, which is New York, so New York bagels. So you should target search, but don't just target search, target recommended. You should make an interesting title that people want to click on, that is also searchable. Combine those two together. Okay, the next video, making the Popeyes chicken sandwich at home, but better. Okay, there are many reasons why this blew up, but here are just two of them, okay? He did something called trend jacking, something that was popular at the time of this video, which came out a few years ago. Popeye's chicken sandwich, that was going viral at the time. So if you target something that is going viral, you put it in your title, then people will get recommended that video. This is something that can help you out when you are starting off your channel. Popeye's chicken sandwich might not still be going viral. That was in 2019, but right now you can find current trends. Go to youtube.com and go to the trending part and you will see that. You can also see trending stuff that gets recommended on your homepage or on the sidebar or on suggested, or when the video ends you will see some suggestions. So that means that those are trends at the moment. You can also use Google Trends, the website, and you can use vidIQ, which is another tool that you can use. You can get a trial of it, but you can also pay for it, which is even better. You can also go to Reddit and any other communities to find out what is trending. Also, you can use news websites as well. That is really big. That's what he did. He used the Popeyes chicken sandwich in his title and that went viral. The other thing that he did in this video to make it go viral was, not to mention the great cinematography and sound design and fast editing that he did, but the other thing was, at the end of his title he wrote, okay, the title was making the Popeyes chicken sandwich at home but better. He put a comma, but better. You can also put brackets at the end just to add a little something in your video title. This has been proven to get more clicks when you add something in brackets right at the end. So making the Popeyes chicken sandwich at home, but better. So people think, oh wow, this is actually better. Let me click on this. It adds a little something to the video. This is something that you can do in your channel as well. Okay, those are the tips for my video. There are many reasons why Joshua Weissman is getting big, and I will go through them more in later videos. So make sure you subscribe for those. But after you get views and subscribers, what do you do to actually gain income on YouTube? I explained that right here in this video.